No, he ran.
I was like, are you gonna leave me hanging?
Turkey it. Turkey.
Yeah?
Turkey.
What's turkey? How do you turkey?
Turkey.
A turkey?
No, like here.
Sneaky step. Whoa! That's what the BF sword pickaxe damage looks like from Illusion early game. The culling comes in. Oh, it does. The piercing light all the way through. Krepo. Very good teleport coming in from balls in the back line. 5 members taking dominance damage. They put the circles on the ground, and death is going to start raining down.
He's here.
Lucian.
Okay, poked.
Nice.
Oh, Belter.